Are you ready? So I'm doing like 2 per bed. Could go on the ends. Everything else is going to go in with seed. So I would do hand watering.
Okay.
In addition to the drip, just for the first 2 weeks.
Okay.
Once they get established, you're fine. But it's kind of like a newborn. You know, like those first few weeks are so critical where you're watching everything. So oregano could come in here. You could also do some lavender, but if it doesn't have an herb and a flower on the edge, it doesn't mean we leave it blank.
Okay.
We just fill it in with some seeds.
Okay.
We've even done bush bean. I'll do bush beans around the edge of my bed. And those are fun, and they like hang over the side of the bed. And then if it was the beginning of the season, end of the season, middle, as everything in here like ebbs and flows, you have this consistency around the outside. Very few people would do this. You're the best.